This video demonstrates how to configure the quality of service QoS feature for an RGEG router on eWeb. QoS can optimize traffic to prevent congestion. In this video, we will walk through configuring the QoS feature using the topology shown in the figure, limiting the uplink and downlink rates for each user in VLAN 6 to 10 megabits per second, with a total egress bandwidth of 1000 megabits per second. First, log into eWeb. Choose Gateway, Config, Behavior, QoS, Smart QoS. Toggle on Enable, set the WAN interface bandwidth to 1000 megabits per second, and click Save. Click Custom QoS Policy, set policy type to Normal Policy, and click Add. On the page that is displayed, enter the policy name. Set type to Custom and enter the IP range. Set bandwidth type to Independent and bandwidth limit to Limit. Please note that when bandwidth type is set to Shared, all users in this policy share the configured uplink and downlink bandwidth, meaning individual user bandwidth is not limited. Set uplink bandwidth, downlink bandwidth, and max limit per user to 10 megabits per second. Set Apply to all interface. Now, each user's maximum bandwidth is limited to 10 megabits per second, regardless of the number of WAN ports. Please note that when interface is set to each WAN, and there are two WAN interfaces on the network, each will be allocated 10 megabits per second, with a maximum bandwidth of 20 megabits per second for two WAN interfaces combined. Toggle on Enabled. Click Advanced Settings to configure the IP or DSCP priority, channel priority, and policy application time. Click OK. To follow this issue, comment on our video or send an email to us. See you in the next video.